All right, we're here. Got Anthony. Got this giant mess that we have to clean out to get to that sweet thing. Flat tires all around, but I don't care. She's still pretty. Yeah, some of the stuff we can throw back up on top, and some of the stuff we'll just bring outside. Like Abby's nice new doors. All right, we got it all cleaned out. Thank you, Isla, for helping. Stewie's here. Anthony. There's a clear path for that car to come out.
Yeah, you got a chain, let's go.
Perfect. All right, it's on. We just got it loaded up at the carrier. If we didn't come get it, it wasn't gonna come in till Monday or Tuesday. And this whole weekend is wrapped around this transmission and mocking it up into this car. So we're gonna get it home. We're gonna shoot some sick B-roll, and then we're gonna start putting a car together tomorrow morning.
That's glory right there. That's okay, recording.
You're recording?
It's just a plastic one.
Okay, it's time. This is the most money I've ever spent on car parts. So let's dig in. We watched an episode of Finnegan's Garage where they gave away a transmission kit for a contest from a company called Silver Sport Transmission. And I literally, if I would have not wrote down the whole word, if I would have just wrote coil mount and hit enter, I would have won that kit. I'm not even kidding. Like, I typed in the answer way before he even finished the question. And I missed enter 3 times because I was so excited. So anyways, I had to spend the actual money to buy a transmission for the Camaro. Oh, there's a metal thingy. Probably just broke here.
Dull knife, yeah.
Dull your knife, yeah. Oh, wrong side. Oh. Oh, there's 2 there. Damn.
Brand new tank.
Yeah. Brand new tank with in-tank fuel pump. Like I said, this is my dream car. I'm spending some money. Oh. All right. Oh, look, my name's even on it.
Radical Ryan.
Yeah.
Fucked up.
Yeah, I know. They put an E.
You're Steven. That's
And-
not yours.
It's not mine.
Send it back.
I got no. I'm not sending this back.
Send it back.
I'm not sending. Ah!
Oh my
Oh!
I thought it was cracked.
Oh! Oh! Open that box, please. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Throw burn.
Oh my God.
It's awesome.
Never in my life would I ever thought I'd have something this cool. Anyways, we're just unboxing. Just gonna keep going along. Just unbox everything. I don't even know what this box has in it. Oh, that's a cross member. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah. All right. I'm guessing this is the goodnesses. This is probably the flywheel and the clutch. Oh, it's the bell housing. It's like Christmas. This video could be a video on its own. Top LS. Boing. Probably spaces it out properly. This one's got a whole bunch of goodies in it. Sensors, things. It's all like packaged meat. Come back from the butcher shop. Willwood. Oh, look at this nice billet piece. Oh. Oh. Nope, I think this is a pedal. Feel like it's a pedal. Oh, there's a wiring harness. Oh, it's a shifter. Oh, look at that.
Where's the knob?
Probably in there somewhere.
Pistol grip.
Pistol grip. That ain't a Dodge. Friggin' Ryland. Ryland and his Dodge stuff. A bunch of bracketries. There's the pedal assembly. Oh yeah. That's probably the bracket for the pedals. Sweet! Alright. Time for the last box. Now this has gotta be, oh it's heavy. This has gotta be the flywheel. That's different stuff. Stop interrupting my unboxing video. Cloud, welcome to the party, McCloud.
Yeah, rolling.
All right, we're back in action. So, this is our clutch. More spacers. Look at that. It's got to be good. It's red, right?
Matches the car.
Yeah. Got all the bolts. Everything we need. Oh, it's heavy. I'm just gonna leave that in there. And our flywheel. Brand spanking new. Look at that. I'll leave it there for now. We'll play with that tomorrow. But that's the unboxing of our Tremec T56 Magnum. There you go.